Making a Celtic knot. While these can be made with many materials, I feel plots are the easiest for the basics. Place a square of plots 7 by 7 about the middle of the farm. The idea is to start with a basic shape. This shape will then repeat it for the rest of the knot, making the same shape again but with a slight overlap. Repeat for all 4 corners. You can always make the overlap more or less depending on the size of your shape. Continue to work outwards, repeating and overlapping the shape. Again, I am starting with the ones at the 4 corners. Basically, your knot is a pattern of an overlapping shape. Same again for the 4 in between. These will overlap 2 squares. But still the same size. It is now ready to plant. We'll zoom in to best show how to continue the overlapping effect while you're planting. Again, you got a wide choice of crops and colors you can experiment with, but I am going to stick to 2. First, green wheat. Plant on the first or center square except for the places it overlaps. The next square out crosses at 2 points. One of these is with this crop. Plant this and repeat for the other 3 overlapping places. Now select another crop. I am using white carnation. Plant at the other places your shape overlaps the original. Now working on the 4 squares around it. Again, plant your crop all around each one except for the overlapping places. As the corner that crosses your original is done, it helps with planting of the other points. They alternate green and white as you go around. You have green on already, so plant white next to it and so on. Back to green wheat or another crop. As there is no more overlapping, I can just plant the rest. Should your design be bigger or repeat more often, just follow the steps from before you till you reach the outside part. Then plant the rest like I am now. We'll go over the basic steps while farm catches up. Make a shape with the plots. Repeat it so that it overlaps. Do this as many or as few times as you wish. It just depends how complicated you want it to be. Same goes for planting, can be 2 or more crops. Start with original shape and work outwards. Make sure the overlapping points are one of each if crosses in 2 places. If crosses more, the best to use more crops and still keep one of each. Now is to grow or wait for your crops. The finished knot. Why not try with tiles or hay bales? Just follow the basic steps.